and I'm excited as usual because this is another episode or Facebook live event of Marie Wilkinson's Pantry, Marie Wilkinson's Community Kitchen, and VNA Healthcare. My name is Deepa Deshmukh. I'm a dietitian here, and I'm glad that you are back. We are getting some nice comments and questions from some of you, so I hope you keep those coming, and I hope you are making the recipes. As usual, the recipe is found on the link on our Facebook pages, so make sure to get the recipes. But let's see what we have on the menu. Super excited to show you how to make fruit and vegetable kebabs. Okay, sometimes we just get tired of salads and stir fries and things like that. Kebab is just another fun way of eating vegetables, right? Especially with kids, young, old, men, women of all ages can enjoy the vegetables in a kebab format. And look at the weather, it's just perfect for grilling outside. Again, I am more of a picnic person. I like to go out and eat my food maybe in the park, along the river, along the pond. So kebab is another good way to carry your vegetables. So I'm going to show you two different kinds of kebab skewers today. One is a fruit and vegetable marinated in Asian ginger, honey, cilantro infused marinade, and the second one is a Mediterranean with all herbs, all Mediterranean herbs like basil and sage and oregano with some maple mustard dressing. Okay, I mean marinade. So it's all exciting, and not all, but almost most of these vegetables are from the farmer who comes to the VNA every Tuesday now. Okay, so yesterday he came and he had mushrooms and zucchini and peppers and onions, and you know how every week we have a special guest which is a special vegetable or a fruit doing a special appearance. This week we have a special appearance from Mr. Radish. Okay, this is a fresh radish from the garden, and did you know that radishes are antifungal? Right, they have a unique capability of killing any kind of fungus infection. Okay, so who knew that this little radish can be antifungal? So if you are dealing with some sort of a fungal infection inside you, especially digestive tract, radishes work really well. And I have never grilled a radish, so this is my first time grilling radish. So in fact it's my first time grilling ever. Okay, I am not a big grill person. I learned how to grill from our wellness pharmacist Marco last year. But anyway, so we are going to grill some radishes, and just to switch some flavors up, we are going to use the strawberries and these Michigan peaches. Okay, again from the farmer on our skewers. So we have this nice party of variety of fruits and vegetables coming together, along with all the herbs from Mary's garden. I mean basil. You guys, you should come and visit the community garden here. It is full right now. It's blooming. The amount of basil we have right now, sage, and this lavage, which is a very unique kind of licorice parsley type of herb, which is going to add even unique flavor, and the oregano. This cilantro again is from the garden as well. As we all know, the green color vegetables in raw format, including herbs and spices, are good for our brain because they are high source of folic acid, so good for the seniors, right? Along with everybody else. So let's see what we have to do. What I'm going to do is to start with this marinade, which is little bit of soy sauce, or it is also called as liquid aminos. And I'm just going to take a dash of soy sauce and dash of ginger. Okay, and actually it was more than a dash, but oh well. ginger is good for migraines and headache, especially if you are having a sun related headache or exposure to sun. Little bit of red pepper flakes, always add little bit of spice. So a lot of people sometimes hesitate to try fruits, vegetables along with marinades, but no need to fear, because remember, the flavors come together when we add a little bit of saltiness, sweetness, and heat and an herby note. So that's how the flavors come together, right? So, and that's exactly what we are going to do. So I have this marinade here, and oops, I forgot, I have some honey. It's a local honey, which means I got it from the farmer last year, and adding little bit of honey or maple syrup or agave even to this marinade is going to help us, because it's going to act as a glue. Okay, so all these herbs and spices are going to stick to the vegetables, because honey or maple syrup gives us that ability to do it. Okay, so I have this marinade here, and you just have to blend it until it is cloudy. Okay, that's when the marinade really comes together. Okay, I am going to move on to the next marinade. Or you know what I'm going to do? Another trick I'm going to show you. Make sure you marinate your vegetables for at least 15 to 20 minutes before you put them on a grill. Okay, so I have some cilantro here, which I'm going to add to this marinade. But just before we started the show, I marinated some of these vegetables and our strawberry. I just thought ginger and honey and strawberry with a little bit of soy sauce will go really well. So this is marinating here, and I am now going to make the next dressing, which is balsamic vinegar, little bit of just a dash of mustard, garlic powder, and again the trick here is going to be adding just a little bit of maple or honey or agave to kind of make the marinade stick to our vegetables. A dash of black pepper and dash of maple. Okay, again very simple, and we are going to add a bunch of herbs, and I have already have the marinade ready, vegetables ready. Like, do you see how thick and nice this has gotten? That's the consistency we want. We don't want to watery, otherwise it won't stick to the vegetables. Okay, and for the Mediterranean skewers, we are going to have this mustard seed, mustard based marinade, vegetables, and we are going to use peaches. Okay, so I just think peaches will go really well with the flavor here. And I have these skewers, and let's start putting the vegetables on the skewer. Like I said in the beginning, I don't grill. I learned to grill last year a little bit, but I kind of got hooked onto it. But I really haven't grilled because for a long time. I think it's a very unique way of eating vegetables, and it just add another depth of flavor. And you just have to be careful with it, and the sweetness of the fruit and maple and mustard and all these lovely spices we have. I mean, I don't think there is anything to go wrong here. Okay, so I have the grill going for last 10 minutes. The grill is being preheated. I'm just going to step out, and I'm just going to step out and going to put the vegetable skewers on this grill and hope for the best. Okay, I'm going to quickly wash my hands, and I'm going to bring the next skewer there as well. Okay, in fact, I'm going to come here and finish my next skewer. So I just stepped out here to do the next skewer because I want to see how these vegetables get done. The next one is our Asian, and you can see here I'm just putting a little bit of herb on this flat surface of the zucchini and add it in here, almost stuffing the zucchini with the cilantro in there, right? So it's going to stay. And same thing with the peppers. If you guys haven't started looking around for a farmer's market, make sure you are, because they are starting. Some of them have already started, some of them are starting soon. We have a farmer's market at VNA Tuesday between 8:30 and 12 o'clock, and it's a lot of fun going to the farmer. And I just have my last vegetable going in. I'm going to finish it off with, gosh, so many vegetables to choose from. I like mushrooms and maybe another strawberry. Okay, this here right now is smelling amazingly. It smells so good. I'm just going to quickly turn. As you can see, the vegetables are already getting charred. I'm going to turn the grill on a low flame little bit. Like I said, this is an experience for me as well. Okay, and the flavor is just getting infused. I can feel it, I can smell it, I can see it. I hope you guys will do this recipe at home. For some reason, if you don't have a grill, you can definitely put it in the oven. If you don't have an oven, but if you have an iron skillet, then you can definitely put it on the iron skillet as well. There's so many ways to grill these vegetables. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to step out and come back in 1 second and kind of brush these vegetables with the marinade. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I couldn't find my brush, but no worries. I'm just going to put a little bit of the broth or the marinade on there, just to add a little more flavor. Okay, but I don't think it really needs anything. I'm just going to put some more of this mustard on the vegetables as well. Now you can also put extra marinade on the side so that people can take it on their skewers when they are eating. Okay, so that will also add another layer of flavor. But this is already looking awesome here. Alright, so now it's just matter of me making sure nothing falls off. Oh, do you see the black charred marks? Look at that. And the radish is also holding up pretty nice. And did you guys know that radish, apart from being a antifungal, also has, oops, mushroom just jumped off, no worries, we'll pick him up. Radish has only 7 calories and 0 fat in half a cup, okay? And half a cup of radish is quite a bit, alright? But again, look how nutrient dense it is, but it's not calorically dense. And those are the kind of food we want, especially if you're a senior and dealing with chronic disease, diabetes, blood pressure, any of those things, okay? So this first skewer is almost done, because remember guys, this heat is going to stay in the vegetable and cook them further, okay? So you can take it, you can just leave it on here for a couple minutes. I am going to take it out and let's see how it turns out. Oh, the strawberries are so juicy. Wow, look at that. Amazing. The flavors are just amazing. Okay, so I have this going here. I'm going to turn the grill off. I'll come back to do more, and I'm going to go and get a plate, and we are going to move back, get a plate and serve. Okay. Okay, we are back here. I am ready to serve. Let me go back. Oh, look at that. Everybody stayed on here. The mustard, the peach, the vegetables, all of them are here. I'm going to get the next skewer. Here we go. This is the Asian one. Oh boy, this is little fancy skewer, guys. I can literally push this. It's hot. Maybe not. Okay. Just going to quickly push this down here. Do you see? Oh my goodness. The mustard and the maple and honey and ginger. I can feel it. Okay. There's one vegetable, two vegetables jumped off. I'm going to go and grab them while you enjoy this. Look at this peach. Wow. Look at that. And I'm going to go and grab mushroom. Here we go. I'm back. I just want to make sure it doesn't burn. All right. So here we have it. So simple. 2 marinades, 2 different kinds of vegetable fruit kebabs. Use your imagination. You can even grill watermelon with this dressing, with these marinades on top. I hope you enjoy it. Please send us a picture. Stay connected and stay well. Enjoy the summer. Get out of the house. Breathe fresh air, water, everything that our body and mind needs to stay healthy. Okay, so on this note, I wish you a good evening, and I will see you all next week, same day, same time. Goodbye.